Alright guys, so I'm here at Durango Canyon. So let's check out these apartments and see what they offer and the prices. So let's go. Alright guys, so let's check out how far everything is out from these apartments. Okay, you have a Walmart and that's going to be 8 minutes away. As you can see, that blue dot, that is where we are at, and then that orange trolley, that is where Walmart is at. Target is going to be 9 minutes away. Costco is going to be 12 minutes away. Sam's Club is going to be 9 minutes away. So you got two Smiths, one is 8 minutes, the other one is 6 minutes. So that one is your closest one to these apartments. You have an Albertsons that is going to be 6 minutes away. You have a Trader Joe that is 11 minutes away. Okay, Sprouts is going to be either 10 minutes or 12 minutes. So your best bet is this one here, which is 10 minutes away. Winco is going to be 17 minutes away. The Strip is going to be 21 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 24 minutes away. The airport is going to be 19 minutes away. Now, again, if you do not have a car to rely on, you do have a lot of buses on Durango. All those little blue squares with the bus in it, that's all the bus stations that are very close to these apartments. You have a Petco that's 10 minutes away or 12 minutes away. So you do have two that are very close to these apartments. And you have a PetSmart that is 8 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 9 minutes away. Okay guys, so that was the Durango Canyon apartment homes. I did see a 1-bedroom model, 2-bedroom model, and 3-bedroom model. So the 3-bedroom model, you guys, was massive. So let's go through the specs. Lease terms is between 6 or 12 months. 6-month leases, additional $100 monthly. So water, sewer, and trash is $17. Renter's insurance is required. They do have one that is $10, or if you do want to go with your own, that's totally fine. You just have to provide the information. So move-in fees. Application fee is $55 per applicant, 18 years and over. Administration fee is $150. $150 administration fee refundable, only denied application. Refund by check can take up to 30 days. Administration fee is non-refundable on cancelled applications. So security deposit, $500 on approved credit, or $1,200 or $2,000. Security deposit based off application results. Pet deposit is $250. Pet fee is $200 per pet, max is 2. Pet rent is $25 per month for 1, $50 per month for 2. Dog breed restrictions include Rottweiler, Pit Bull Terrier, Doberman Pinscher, Bull Terrier, and Chow Chow. $20 utility setup fee for new residents. Now they do have a qualifying rental criteria, and that is how it looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of it and then put it on my YouTube, where I put like pictures and stuff like that. That way you guys can read it as well. But it just says like non-discrimination, application, identity verification, occupancy guideline, income verification. So let me do that one. The income verification on this one is written verification of income in an amount equal to 2.5 times the monthly rent per household will be required, along with any necessary support documents. Evictions. Applications who have been a party of an eviction proceedings may not be approved for residency, depending upon the pre-established criteria set by management. This is how big the apartment complex is, you guys. They do have, I think, 3 pools, she said, or 2 pools. I'm not sure, I'll just double check on that. They also have a tennis court, they have a picnic area, they have a dog park, and yeah, they have a gym, they have an amazing clubhouse. So I really do like these. These are a little bit on the older side, you guys. They do have renovated models, but then they also have like your standard models. But to be honest with you guys, these are okay. Like, they're located in an okay area. It's not a bad area. You do have homes behind the complex, but it is on a busy road. So that is one thing that is probably a negative. You will see it when we get out. It is definitely on a busy road, but it's not hard to get out of. So there is enough space to where there's no cars coming and then you're allowed to just go, but it is definitely a busy road. Other than that, you guys, the only thing that I would say is that they're just a little bit on the older side of things. They definitely scream a lot of like early 2000 like finishes and stuff, but I feel like it's definitely a decent price. So I really don't have like anything bad to say. The girl that helped me, I didn't catch her name, the girl that helped me, but she was super friendly, and she's the one that showed me around the whole complex. So you guys, that being said, I hope you like this one. If you have any questions from me that I forgot to answer, leave them down below. If not, don't forget to subscribe, you guys, to my channel, turn on post notification, that way as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. But I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.